Let's talk a little bit about the Valley of Death and who's on the other side, to be perfectly honest. Really, the key here to understand is who your actual customer is, right? Your actual customer is the people with the money who can do the buying. And who that is your acquisition program managers, right? These are finite individuals, these are actual job titles. They sit in organizations that buy stuff, right? Program executive offices, program managers, project managers. They are in a structure. You can find them. Pretty simple to deduce who those people are based on what it is you're making. And it's surprising to me the number of people who don't do this is like a matter of first principle, right? If your first step is to conceptualize who your operational end user is, right? That is absolutely incredibly important because if you don't know whether you're selling to the Navy or to the Air Force, then you're out in left field. Okay, so understanding who your operational end user will lead you down the path to figuring out who your actual customer is. End user and customer, two different people. Okay, end users don't buy stuff. People who buy stuff typically aren't end users, right? It's just the way the world works. So understand who your end user is and then go the next chain up. So I am trying to sell to the Army. I am selling some new, pocket-sized drone jammer. Sweet. There is a program office, almost assuredly, that deals with jammers in the Army. There's an office that does it. There is an actual person whose job it is to buy those things. You want to sell your thing, you should go find the person who buys it and talk to that person. Not rocket surgery, right? This is a pretty straightforward thing you can do. A little bit of Google research will get you there. You can also, if you're trying to winnow it down, something you can try is contact the small business advocate. Every acquisition shop has a small business advocate. It's one of those like required by law things. So if you're trying to figure out who the actual person is, who the program office is, those small business advocates, those small business offices are actually like supposed to be there to help you with your silly questions. So if everything else fails, you can reach out to those folks and have them help you orient to who your actual customer is. Incredibly important if you're actually going to get anything sold.